The Anteater. Feeding the beast. The app is called Anteater because it is designed to find and kill bugs. And for this you need recipes for their preparation and a person who knows how to write them. How to create a new recipe. Launch Anteater and make sure that the width of the Anteater window is greater than the width at which the application enters compact display mode. You need to create a recipe so that the Anteater can perform the actions you want. The recipe is an XML file. You can create it in any editor, but if you are using the Anteater desktop application, try using the Anteater recipe editor. This editor provides the ability to obtain a list of available commands with options for their use. Having such a hint will greatly simplify the process of writing recipes. Click the Create New Recipe button at the bottom of the left panel. Enter the recipe name and click the OK button. Anteater creates the recipe in a new editor window. You will have a root recipe tag and a comment. You can delete the comment and paste the desired command. To display a pop-up menu with a list of available commands, right-click or press Ctrl and spacebar. You can save the result of your work by pressing the Ctrl+S button or selecting the appropriate menu item. This also formats the XML text. Example commands may contain different numbers of attributes. For example, if you select the var command, you will need to enter the name of the variable and the method to initialize it. All command template attributes will be displayed as a dialog box. If you don't need it, click the Close Dialog button and edit the command tag manually. For a deeper understanding of exactly how the Anteater's commands work, you can use examples, which are available as SVN repositories, and you do not need to download the entire repository, download only the folder that is of interest to you. I recommend starting with the commands recipes from AE Sample's Anteater project. To do this, you should download sample recipes to one of the folders specified in the recipes_path variable of your configuration. As usual, the Anteater uses only the name specified in its XML file to call recipes, and the absolute location of the recipe does not matter. So you can place files according to the logic of use in your specific case. After downloading your recipe files, be sure to click Update Recipe List. Thank you for your attention.